Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you saw my last video, you know we spent 7 amazing days in Japan with my family, and we ended our trip in Hiroshima. But now we're heading to the airport because it's time for our next destination, China. Let's go. We are in the Hiroshima airport and we're heading to our next destination. We're heading to China. Our flight is to Shanghai. There's a plane. Let's go. When we got into the plane, we had some Chinese noodles, a cookie, and a yogurt for dessert. And it was okay. But once we landed in Shanghai, we headed to our hotel and grabbed some dinner. And we finally got some sleep. Good morning everyone. Today we are in the beautiful Shanghai hotel. It is called Novotel Atlantis. We woke up with this incredible view of Shanghai. Today we are heading to Disneyland Shanghai and I'm so excited. We're gonna go see everything there is to do in the park and the food. I'm gonna take you with me. We're actually gonna have some breakfast this morning in the Novotel hotel and it's on the upper deck. We actually had dinner there last night, so we're gonna go there right now. Let's go. So I've never been to China. The only place I've been to China was Guangzhou, and that was a layover. And you can check that video out. It was crazy. But now I've learned from my mistakes and I will do a separate video on things to do before you come to China. Just so you guys know, because it is a bit tricky. There are some things that you do need to know before you arrive to China. And if you're ever staying at the Novotel Shanghai Atlantis, you have to try their breakfast. There was so much food. I honestly didn't even know what to choose. I'm eating this for breakfast. A steam bun, French toast, fried rice, noodles, watermelon, kimchi. Crazy breakfast. After that, we headed to Shanghai Disneyland. There are a few different ways to get there, but we just took a taxi. We made it to Shanghai Disneyland. Let's go see. You can see that there's people outside selling stuff to you, like merchandise. That is so interesting because I don't think you see it in any other park. We are heading right now to downtown Disneyland. We're gonna go see how it is. By the way, if you didn't know, Shanghai Disneyland is the newest park of all the parks. This one opened in 2016. I am really excited to do the Tron one because I know that one is the best one, and to see the Zootopia land. I don't know what else there is to see here, but I'm really excited. To Shanghai Disneyland right here. Look at that. Once we arrived at the park, we headed straight to the rides. And of course, the crazy themed foods. We got a pulled pork sandwich But when we saw the wait times, like 120 minutes, we knew we had to change the plans. We decided to get the Premier Pass, which is basically the fast pass at Shanghai Disneyland. It gives you access to 3 to 6 attractions, and we went for the 6 ride option. And of course, we made sure it included the Tron ride. Honestly, if you have the budget, I highly recommend it, especially on weekends or holidays, because spending your whole day waiting in lines is not worth it. We went on a few rides, including a really cute Snow White one, and of course, Pirates of the Caribbean. We're doing the Pirates of the Caribbean now. The Snow White one was so cool, but now we're gonna do Pirates. The good thing is that we have Premier Pass for all of them. Highly recommend them because we came on a Sunday, it is very busy. And I'm sorry to say this, but the one here is way better than the original, like 10 times better. The special effects are insane, and the animatronics look so real. I honestly thought Jack Sparrow was an actual person for a second. Wow, Pirates of the Caribbean is so cool. So much better than the one in the US. And if you ever feel like eating some squid after, they sell some squid here. Teriyaki with grilled squid right next to the ride. We are now entering Zootopia. Zootopia is only here in Shanghai Disneyland. Let's go see. We also did Zootopia, which had just opened, so you can imagine the lines were crazy. Thankfully, it was included in our Premier Pass, and the ride was so cool and cute.
别浪费我的时间。
没有下去了就没有演唱会。他们的退货。哦，拜托！别到处追查，动的是你们。 After, we also grabbed some really cute snacks there and headed over to Toy Story Land, where everything is huge. You literally feel like a tiny toy. And finally, Tron. This ride was actually created here before becoming so popular that it opened in Walt Disney World in Florida. It's super high tech and you ride in this crazy position, almost like you're on a motorcycle. Thankfully, we skipped the line with the Premier Pass and went straight in. And yeah, it was so worth it. One thing you'll also notice here are the toilets. Yep, there are even squat toilets in Shanghai Disneyland, which I definitely wasn't expecting. After that, we caught part of the parade and saw some really fun characters. We've decided to stop by and have some dinner at Donald's Dine and Delights. I told my parents that I wanted Cheesecake Factory because I miss it, but we're gonna have dinner here just because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And it looks pretty nice. You can see there's some great like themed Disney foods. So cute, so we're gonna give it a try. Once we were done, we decided to explore the beautiful city of Shanghai and headed to Yuyuan Old Street. It is a street full of tradition-style buildings, shops, and lots of street food. It really gives you that old Shanghai feel. Downtown district, and we went souvenir shopping, I got a bracelet that has my name in it in Chinese. So that is really interesting that you can do like several things like that, which is so cute. So we got a lot of cute gifts. Highly recommend coming here, especially because of the temples. And right next to it, we went to Yu Garden, a classical Chinese garden that dates back all the way to the Ming Dynasty, with beautiful ponds, bridges, and architecture. And then walked down to the river to see the skyline all lit up. It was so beautiful. I definitely recommend coming here at night. It looks absolutely spectacular. The next morning, we woke up in our beautiful hotel and headed to our next destination in China, Beijing. And this time, we were taking the Chinese bullet train. Good morning, everyone. We are currently in Shanghai, heading to Beijing. We're gonna take the high-speed train in the Hongqiao railway station. We just Googled that it takes almost 12 hours in car to head from Shanghai to Beijing, and our train takes 4.5 hours to get there. So it is a high-speed train. We're gonna see how it goes. Let's go. Thank you, Shasha. Inside the train station. Also, the railway station is right next to the airport. And we were just saying that that is such a great convenience for everyone in case they really need to get into a train after a flight or something. Very interesting and very big. A bit chaotic, but we're still good. It's funny because we're trying to find coffee while we wait for our train to depart, and this place is huge. Like, we're trying to find coffee and we got lost. We had to go to another floor. This place is humongous, but we finally found a Starbucks, so we're gonna get some coffee from there. Heading to our bullet train from Shanghai to Beijing. Whew, let's go. We also booked a first class seat ticket, so we're gonna see a little bit of the difference. It wasn't that much of a price difference, so I decided why not splurge a little. From the moment we boarded, we were honestly so impressed. Everything felt super advanced, and we were also comparing it to Japan's bullet trains. But this one felt more innovative and convenient in some ways, and it just made the whole experience feel effortless, like having a server come directly to your seat with food and drinks. We even got gifted a small basket with goodies. They just gave us some green tea, and I believe these are cookies. I'll open them up and see what they are. We're also traveling faster than the bullet train in Japan, which is crazy. I think it's more than 300 kilometers per hour. You can see here, we got some cookies. That's cute. They're kind of like gingerbread cookies or like butter cookies. We have like some candy and then another type of candy. And then like, I think this is chocolates. They're so cute. Look at that. Collection of Chinese stuff. course, we had to explore a bit. The train has 3 sections: economy, first class, and business. And yes, there are squat toilets here as well.
And now we're gonna go see business class.
We tried to sneak into business class, but yeah, they weren't having it.
We just made it to Beijing. This was a 4-hour drive. It was so smooth, so nice. Highly recommend the first class. We are now heading to our hotel. We're gonna take the taxi just because we are scared a bit of the metro here. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Made it to our hotel in Beijing. This is the Hilton Inn Garden, Guomao. We arrived pretty exhausted to the hotel because it was so chaotic. It was so crazy. The thing about coming to China, there's a lot of people and sometimes people get in front of you and they push you. So you have to get used to that when you come here. Of course, it's part of their culture, but it's something that many Westerns maybe see that as unpolite. It's something that my family and I are trying to get used to. So that happened a lot leaving the train station. And then we also almost lost our phones. So that was also chaotic, but we made it and we're here in our beautiful hotel. And you can see the beautiful view of Beijing. Tonight, we are gonna go to a show. It's a dinner and show that's about the history of China. It's gonna be like a performance. It's gonna be so beautiful. I'm gonna put the details down below here. But yeah, they're gonna give us some food and everything, so we're gonna get ready for that and hopefully we can record something so y'all can see. Let's go.
From the moment you walk in, the whole place is designed to feel like an imperial palace. The architecture, the lighting, the decor, everything is so detailed and theatrical, and it already feels like you're a part of the show. You can actually take the experience even further by renting traditional imperial costumes, and a lot of people did. Once seated, the experience becomes a full performance. Each dance represents a different dynasty or cultural story, with elaborate costumes, live music, and choreography. And the coolest part, every performance is paired with a specific dish inspired by that era. We got like some courses right here. I already took a bite of some. We got some bamboo, some like veggie salad. We got like a little sweet dessert. I still don't know what it is, but it tastes pretty good. This is fruit candy. It's called ate de membrillo in Spanish, but I'll put it in English right here. I believe this is the appetizer. And then we also have some tea right here. At times, it was a bit overwhelming. There were dancing, music, servers, bringing out food. One of the most fun moments was when we got to crack open a dish sealed in a hardened salt crust. It was super interactive and felt very ceremonial.
Hay algo adentro. Aló.
And And you're not just sitting down for dinner, you're kind of part of the royal banquet. While you're eating, there are live performances happening all around you with traditional dances, music, and storytelling inspired by different dynasties and cultural tradition. Each performance is paired with a course, so the food and the show kind of go hand in hand.
The bad thing is that they give us food and then they do a presentation, so we can't see.
不知天有同尊，晚生长梦与太来，来生前皆寂寞，唯有饮者留其名。
We got another dish. I'm not sure what it is, but I believe it is salty. And then we got served a dish that was very mysterious. I'm not gonna lie, a bit scared to try this one.
They haven't told us what it is.
Still not entirely sure what it was, but hey, in China, you try everything once. Thank you. We have a big dish here. Don't know what it is. I think it's like cabbage. Our last course was a yogurt parfait, I believe.
I believe it's a little bit of fruits, some yogurt, and some jelly. Cheers. Tastes like yogurt.
Definitely one of the most unique dining experiences I've ever had. And we ended our night with a new special friend. Aquí dice open. Pícale. Dice open. Delivery. Wow.
Gracias.
Only in China.